Namaste and welcome back to my channel. I am Harmeet and I hope you all are doing extremely great. So today I am going to show you this makeup look which I have created using only 5 products, and also most of the products which I will be using in this video are new. I have recently bought them and almost all products I have loved, and also I will be shooting a makeup haul soon. I have not bought much products, but yeah, little bit products which I have bought I would be showing you. And yeah, so without wasting time, let's get started with the video. So hi guys, I'm starting off with the makeup look. So firstly I'm using this Lakme 925 foundation. It is a very good foundation. It is in the shade 3140 Cool Rouge. So I'm using it as my base. So yeah, I'm just applying it all over my face in dots, and then I would be blending it. Blending it with the help of a brush. Some more foundation and applying it under my eyes and on the top of my eyes, because since this video is about using only 5 products, so I'm not using any concealer just to hide my under eyes. So I'm using the same foundation, and you can see the base is all done. The second product which I would be using is the Lakme Absolute White Intense Compact. So yeah, I'm just taking it and I would be dabbing it with the sponge which comes with it only. So I'm just setting first my under eyes and then I'm setting all my face. Is done. The third product which I am using is this Sugar palette. So it has contour, highlight and also blush. So I can use these three in with only one product. So first I am going with the blush, and I love this palette, and I think this palette is very affordable, and you can get 3 things. You can do 3 things with the same palette. So I think you should buy this. It is a must buy if you're looking for something like that. So you can definitely buy this. I'm taking the different brush and I'm just doing some, I will be just bronzing my face a little bit. I'm not doing very harsh contour, just a little bit bronzing. Next I'm taking a little smaller brush and then I would be just doing my eyeshadow. So for the eyeshadow also I'm using the same palette. I'm using the blush shade and I will be just applying it all over the eyes and just blending it very nicely. Next I'm taking the highlighting shade from the same palette and I would be just applying it onto my crease, just a very little bit. And yeah, that's it for the eyes. Now I'm just highlighting my nose. I'm highlighting the bridge of my nose, the high points of my cheek. Next I'm highlighting my cupid's bow and I'm highlighting my brow bone. This highlighter is a very nice and a very subtle highlighter and I love this highlighter very much. I'm highlighting just the high points of my face. The highlighter is all done and the base makeup is all done. Next, the fourth product which I'm using is this L'Oreal Lash Paradise Mascara and I would be just applying it onto my lashes. This mascara gives you a very lengthening effect and makes your lashes very nice and very longer looking. Lashes have turned out to be so much voluminous and lengthening. So yeah, the next and the last product which I am using, which is the fifth product, is this Swiss Beauty Soft Lip Cream and I love the shade. All the products I would mention in the description box, so if you are interested you can go and check the description box. So I'm just applying this lip cream and I just love the color. The formula is also very light. So yeah. Yeah, the makeup look is done. Do tell me in the comments how do you like the makeup look, and I've just used 5 products and yeah, that is all for the makeup look. So yeah guys, this is a very simple look. You can use the products and you can just do this look. So yeah guys, just like daily wear and if you're going out, this is a very simple look, very natural look, and I generally love this look a lot. And also if you like the video, do like, comment and subscribe to my channel below. Also guys, just tell me how the quality of the video is, because I'm shooting it with my new phone which is OnePlus 8T. So I hope the quality would be very good as compared to previous videos. So yeah, just tell me about that also. And yeah, I will see you next time. Bye. Love you.